Hello friends, I am Rajarshi Mondal and today I am going to talk about GAPSEQ and COBRA tools. So in short, GAPSEQ is a metabolic reconstruction tool uh, which is used for network analysis, reconstruction and metabolic reconstruction. So what is the generalized pathway of or methodology of GAPSEQ? So a genome first the file is taken uh, from which we can do pathway prediction as well as transporter prediction. GAPSEQ has means we can do it in GAPSEQ by using this formula dot / GAPSEQ find. Find is used to do pathway prediction. Similarly, find transport will do transporter prediction. So this pathway prediction is done from sequence and primary database, whereas the transporter prediction is done from the transporter database. The data which we get from this prediction like pathway and transporter is used to reconstruct a draft network, and we can do it by using this command that GAPSEQ draft, and after that we can add some growth medium which is obviously computationally, and then we will do the gap filling. And here I want to mention that GAPSEQ has an unique gap filling algorithm which works very well, and it has proven that it is thus better than many other metabolic model reconstruction tools. After that, a genome scale metabolic model is done. So these are the basic commands which are used in GAPSEQ. So let's come to COBRA tool. So COBRA tool is nothing but constant based reconstruction analysis. That is the COBRA toolbox, and it is supported by the MATLAB, and thus it is done on the MATLAB. But that doesn't mean it doesn't have any alternative. We can also do it in Python and use it there, but generally it is done on MATLAB. So methodology, there is nothing a fixed methodology. It depends on what type of experiments we are doing, what type of means what we want to do. We can do modeling, we can do prediction analysis, and many such things. So some basic comments which I have collected. It's not that these are the only basic commands. There are many basic commands in COBRA tool. So some are like load. It's used to load any package or model. Change COBRA solver to change the solver. We can do it by changing means writing the name of the solving method in the parentheses. So print reaction formula, we can print the reaction. Change objective, like it changes the objective function of the constraint based model. We can also change reaction bounds, means the upper bound or the lower bound of any reaction or a set of reactions. We can minimize the model flux, and from the name itself we can understand that the overall flux of the network will be minimized. We can also optimize the CP model. So it's generally used to solve the flux pendants analysis problem. NNZ is number of non-zero. So this function is used to means count or return the number of non-zero elements in a matrix. Then strcmp is nothing but string comparison. Thus it is used to compare string arrays. Build flux list layout is nothing, it builds a layout from distribution network. That and find subsystem of genes is to find genes belonging to a particular subsystem. So like this we can do COBRA toolbox, and we can see that MATLAB has many features like plots and apps. There are many apps installed here. I'm using an academic license. So to use COBRA tools, first we need to write like this. Then press tab. Then it's used in this COBRA tool. So that. After this, if we run, now Cobra tool is running, and we can use the commands which I have discussed earlier. So I have understood up to this now. So this is Ubuntu, and we can perform many things, like we can do GAPSEQ here, and it is kind of like Linux based. So some of the basic commands are like we can check present working directory, to create one directory we used this mkdir command. To remove one directory we use rmdir. To remove any file we use rm. We can use cd to change directory. We can use ls to view list of files and folders. We use mv to move a file. So let's go to GAPSEQ folder, which I already have. To view what contents are inside this directory, so we will use ls. So I can see these are the things. It is shown in green because it is an executable file. We can execute it. I will execute it, but before I need to show some more commands, like we can see how much space is left by using this. We can clear the screen by using this command. We can check ping by this command. To create a file we use touch. To view contents of file we use cat or head or tail. So like this, there are many commands. To download any file we can use wget. To paste some contents we can use echo. So like there are many files. So let's run the GAPSEQ. So this command is used to run commands. So now we will run the GAPSEQ file, that is this. So yeah, GAPSEQ is working in my computer. It is showing, and as I have mentioned earlier, we can see GAPSEQ test. We can use find to find pathways, find transport. I have discussed this in the Word document. So these are the commands which you can use in GAPSEQ. So that is all. Thank you.